buy stop is like being at the bus stop. Somebody's gonna stop by and pick me up. Okay, so you buy limit, right? Okay, so these are buy limit orders. This is saying, hey, right now, right, in this bullish move, price is above where I want to buy, right? Because we want to buy at a low price. So when you think about a buy stop, you could say, you know what, price, for example, here, you could say, I always think of like a buy stop is like being at the bus stop. Somebody's gonna stop by and pick me up, right? Standing on the corner waiting on the bus, price is gonna stop by and pick me up. Okay, so here we go. So with the buy limit, we're saying price, right, is currently above where I want to buy. I want a deeper discount, right? That's what these levels represent. Our little energy trampolines here. Here's a 0 to 100% move. These retracement levels, right, is going to take back 23%, 32%, 38%, right, 50%, 51.8%. I want the deepest discount, right? We go to the store, right? We love Black Friday, right? We want a discount. So this is just representing, I want a low price, a discount for me to buy, okay? So price has reached this limit on the sell side, and I'm looking to buy limit. So again, right, if my stop loss, I take my risk percentage and I divide it by my stop loss, right? That's the key. That's the key. I divide my risk by my stop loss. That's going to give me my lot size. So in this example, hey, my risk said I could trade at 1 mini lot. Well, I'm going to use limit orders. So I know that it could possibly, I like these. This is my sweet spot zone. I don't control price, but my bias is in an upward direction. As long as it hangs within this AB boundary, it has a chance to move my way, right? So if I buy limit orders here, if price comes down, it takes me in, that order is automatically gonna activate. My stop loss is in place for both of them. It's gonna activate, it's gonna take me long. If not, I've got to protect the stop. So here, when you talk about a buy stop, you could say, you know what? Okay, well, this price is kind of consolidating. And you could say, this is pretty much like this, right? This is just consolidating. And you could say, you know what? If I get a break above this 91, 92 level, right, I'm willing to get in above that level. I'm not taking that trade until I get above that level. So I can come in and put a buy stop, right? So I'm waiting at the bus stop. And if this price moves in a bullish direction, right, it can stop by and pick me up. Boom. That's my buy stop. That's my buy stop. The price is currently below where I want to pick up and buy. Okay? And then you always have your protective stop. Okay? So if price moves up, it's like, hey, this is my trade idea. I want to get long. I go on my phone or on my computer, MC4, whatever you use. Instead of me putting in a market execution, I'm gonna go in. So when you go market execution, it's gonna give you two zones. It's gonna tell you to type in your buy stop. Type in your stop loss, and it's gonna tell you to type in your take profit, right? But if you go and you say, I want to put in a buy limit order, it's gonna ask you. So instead of hitting market execution, tap that drop down and say, you know what? I want to buy limit. It's gonna ask you for the buy limit order number, price, right? So if I want to put a buy limit in right here, okay, at my 61.8, that price is 91.84. So I'm gonna say buy limit, okay, price 91.84, stop loss 91.11, take profit 93.29. Boom, it's in my phone, right? So if I'm gone and I'm away, I'm eating dinner, whatever, out shopping at work, I've got that trade set up. And over the time, whenever price comes down to this level, it's gonna activate that trade. But you're already protected. You're already protected. You got your stop loss in. You've planned and won the war before it started. That's the key. That's the key. Never take a trade without calculating your risk first and having all your parameters. It would be the same thing with a buy stop. Hey, price is below where I want to get in. I see some key areas of resistance that I would be more comfortable with it breaking through. No, I'm not going to be around my computer, right? I'm confident in my bias. I got my risk figured out. 1% if I lose, I'm going to put a buy stop order, right? Above here, above this level. Price gets impulsive, moves and breaks, then it's going to take me in and I'm gone, right?